The building that you see behind me is the heaviest building in the world. But the man who built it, Nicolae Ceaușescu, never even enjoyed it, never even lived in it, and never even saw it. Number 13 is considered very unlucky in Romania.
Hello!
So let's ask them, how do they find Romania?
Romania, amazing!
And will you come again to Bucharest?
Yes! Of course!
Romanian people are the most warm, kind and friendliest people you'll meet anywhere in the world. Romanian language is so romantic, it's like singing a song. Romania is the cheapest country to travel in Europe. Good morning, my lovely people. Bună dimineața from Bucharest, Romania. Today we are going to walk piatas. Piata is like a square. You have lots of squares in this city. You have the Revolution Square, you have the University Square, Constitution Square, and a lot others. And each of these squares have a unique story attached to it. So we are going to walk these squares, explore this city, and feel the energy of Romania. So let's go! So I have finally arrived in the Constitution Square. This is one of the largest squares in the center of Bucharest. And I also got to know that the mayor of Bucharest celebrates New Year party every year in this place. It's not New Year now, so I might not enjoy the party, but it's fun to know this interesting fact. And one of the most beautiful things about this square is that it stands face to face with the largest building in Europe, which is the Palace of the Parliament. This building that you see behind me is the heaviest building in the world. It weighs about 9.04 billion pounds and was constructed by Nicolae Ceaușescu, Romania's last communist dictator and president from 1974 to 1989. But some of the interesting things about this place is that it has 1100 rooms. It was constructed by 700 architects over a period of 13 years. And it has 8 underground levels, deepest being a nuclear bunker. Today this place is called the People's Palace and is the seat of the Parliament of Romania. But one of the most interesting things which I was thinking about this building while being here is that the man Nicolae Ceaușescu, who constructed it, never lived in it and never even saw it. Because the construction of this place completed in 1997, but Ceaușescu died in 1989. Okay guys, so that was the Constitution Square, and now I'm walking towards the Unification Square, which is also called Piața Unirii. But before that, I want to tell you some interesting facts about Romania and this beautiful city of Bucharest. So Romania is the 12th largest country in Europe and is one of the cheapest countries to travel here. That's what we all travelers like, isn't it? Romania has the 5th fastest internet in the world. Official language of Romania is Romanian, and their official currency is Romanian lei, which is also called RON. 92% of Romanians are Christian, and Bucharest is the capital city of Romania and is one of their largest cities. Bucharest has a population of about 2 million people, while Romania's total population is just 20 million people. Wow, it's so less, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the Unification Square, Piața Unirii. Piața Unirii connects sector 1, 2, 3, 4 in Bucharest. Like in your city, you might be having blocks or districts. Here in Bucharest, they have sectors. So this place is so spacious, so open, and I find a lot of positive energy here. In this square, you will find all kinds of transportation. You have the Unification Metro station, you have a tram terminal, you have a bus and a taxi station, and there is also a Unification shopping center. If you guys like the mall and you come to Bucharest, you should definitely check out this shopping center. I went there, it was amazing. There is also a small park, and behind me you will see a beautiful fountain which is very popular in the summer months. Okay guys, so that was the Unification Square, and now I am walking to the University Square. But do you know that Romanians believe in a lot of superstitions? Number 13 is considered very unlucky in Romania. 13th, the Friday, is considered a very unlucky day here. Throwing out garbage at night means you're also throwing away your good luck. And whistling inside a house brings bad luck. That's what Romanians believe. So if you're coming to this country, don't whistle inside your house and don't throw garbage at night. Okay, so those were bad luck superstitions. But there are also some good luck signs. Have you seen a 4-leaf clover? Because if you see a 4-leaf clover in this country, it brings good luck. I haven't seen one yet, but I will definitely find one. And rain on a wedding day is considered very lucky and brings lots of money. So if you're dating a Romanian, make sure that you marry them on a rainy day. Okay guys, so this is the University Square. It is located near to the University of Bucharest. It has 4 beautiful statues. There is also a national theatre. I also saw a very nice metro station. And this University Square was established in 1857. Today it's 2022, almost 170 years. Okay guys, that was the University Square. So artistic, so creative, very difficult to describe in words. And now I'm looking for my way for the Revolution Square. But let me tell you about Romanian people. So when we travel, when we go to a new country, what do we want? We want that the people should like us. People are welcoming. And Romanian people are one of the most coolest people you will meet anywhere in the world. They will laugh, smile, talk with you, and become your friends. So if you're planning to come to Romania, get ready to have and make lots of Romanian friends. Okay guys, so this is the Revolution Square. The square was named after the Romanian Revolution in 1989, and this place is located in central Bucharest on Cale Victoria, which is one of the most oldest and famous streets of this city. There are a lot of things to see here. You have the statue of King Carol, University of Bucharest Library, National Museum of Art of Romania. Then there is a very creatively designed building which I got to know is the office of McKinsey & Company. And the dome-shaped structure that you see behind me, this is the Romanian Athenaeum, which is like a theatre. This square is one of the best squares to take lots of pictures. If you are coming to Bucharest and you are an Instagram lover, then this is the place to be. Okay guys, so that was the Revolution Square, and it really brought a big revolution in my mind after seeing it. And now I am walking towards Piața Arcul de Triumf, and it is because of this piața, this square, Bucharest is known as the Paris of the East, because Arcul de Triumf, which I am going to show you in this square, is very similar to Arc de Triumf in Paris. But there are a lot of other reasons also why Bucharest is known as the Paris of the East. The CEC building, which I crossed, didn't show you, but I took a picture of it, here it is, was designed by a French architect. The Central University Library was also designed by a French architect. English and French are the main foreign languages taught in schools here. And Romanian judicial system, the courts, are also very much influenced by the French model. How do we say thank you in French? It is merci, right? And that's the same way, it's an informal way of saying thank you in Romanian language as well. So there is a lot of influence of French culture in this city. I even got to know that the Romanian constitution is based on France's 50th Republic. Okay guys, so we have arrived at Piața Arcul de Triumf, and this triumphal arch is located in the northern part of Bucharest and was constructed in the memory of the heroes of War of Independence and World War I. I met some lovely friends from Israel.
Hello! Hello!
And
How are you?
And I was telling you so many things nice about Romania. So let's ask them, how do they find Romania?
Romania, amazing! Amazing!
And will you come again to Bucharest?
Yes! Of course!
You see, you should definitely come to Bucharest
Of
and
course.
in Romania. And my next trip will be in Israel.
Yeah! We come to Israel to visit. Goodbye!
Bye-bye. Look how similar it looks to Arc de Triomphe in Paris. The height of this triumphal arch is about 27 meters. It was inaugurated on 1st December 1936, and it is fully covered with Romanian marble. So that was Piața Arcul de Triumf, with a beautiful triumphal arch built to celebrate Romania's victories in World War I. And every year on 1st December, military parades are conducted here, and also 1st December is Romania's national holiday. And now I am walking to Piața Presi Libre, the House of Free Press, and the building that I am going to show you there is very similar to Lomonosov University in Moscow, Russia. Okay guys, finally we arrive at Piața Presi Libre, and this building behind me is very close to Russian architecture. Its total height, including the television antenna on the top, is about 104 meters, which is 341 feet. This building was built in 1956, and it publishes the newspapers of Bucharest. Guys, I'm very tired now and resting here for a while because I walked all the way from the Constitution Square to the House of Free Press, which is about 12 to 15 kilometers walk. So it was a great adventure, but you guys must be saying that you are extremely crazy, Abhi. But that's what travelers are. Travelers are crazy people, isn't it? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about Romania's water. I noticed that Romania has one of the most cleanest, fresh and alkaline waters that you will find anywhere in the world. And this company, Aquavia, has a pH value of 9.4. It's mentioned here in the water bottle. Do you know that any water which has a pH value of more than 8 is very good and healthy for the body? And here in Romania, every mineral water bottle has a pH value mentioned on it. That is so nice for a traveler, because when you're traveling, you're tired, you're walking around, you're sightseeing places, and if you get really clean and fresh water, you remain healthy while traveling. So we finished Piata Presi Libre as well, but let me tell you some interesting Romanian words that I learned here. So what are the first two words that you learn when you arrive in a new country? It's hello and thank you, isn't it? So hello, hi, is very simple to speak in Romanian, it's buna. But thank you was so difficult for me to pronounce, to learn when I arrived first in the country, and it was very difficult to say thank you to anyone. But now I can pronounce it very well, it's mulțumesc. But in the beginning, this pronunciation was extremely difficult for me. And Romanian language is a very romantic language. It's like singing a song. I also heard a lot of people saying da da da, which means yes. And this da word also means yes in Russian. And I also heard when people were speaking Romanian, there was some Portuguese words, because I know a little Portuguese. So what I learned was that Romanian language is a mixture of lot of languages. Romanian is a multicultural language. So what am I going to do now? I have to end this video, but I'm going to end this video back on the Constitution Square where we all started. So I think I won't walk now, I'll take the metro, and I'm going to show you how convenient and cheap is Bucharest's metro system. So let's go and let's see metro. So that was the metro. Bucharest metro system is very convenient, very nice for a traveler to see around the city. And it just cost me 3 lei for a ride, which is less than $1. So it's very cheap as well. So guys, we are back on the Constitution Square, and today we walked a lot, we talked a lot, we explored and saw a lot. And what are my first impressions of this beautiful, amazing country? I just want to say, Romania, darling, you are a work of art, and I have fallen in love with your positivity, your people, your romantic language, your superstitions and beliefs, your clean drinking alkaline water, and most of all, your dictator, Nicolae Ceaușescu, because he left to you this building. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and now it's time to say bye-bye, pa-pa. Pa is the most cutest word in Romanian language because it means bye. If you're planning to come here, you should definitely know about it. And tomorrow, I'm going to walk Cale Victoria, which is one of the most famous streets of Bucharest, and I'm going to explore Bucharest Old Town. So if you guys want to join me, then you should consider subscribing and hitting the subscribe button below this video. And if any of your family members or friends are planning to come to Bucharest, you should share this video with them. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Keep smiling. Be happy. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, pa!